Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android Constraint Layout Group. Using Android Constraint Layout Group, we could group a number of views without nesting them inside a parent view, and we could apply visibility on the group. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language Kotlin. We will go to the main activity layout file, and there we are creating 4 text views and we are giving IDs in the text views. We will create 2 buttons, show and hide. On clicking the button show, we will make the visibility of the 4 text views visible using Constraint Layout Group. And on clicking the hide button, we will make the visibility of these 4 text views gone using Android Constraint Layout Group. Now we are creating a group width and height wrap content. We are giving an ID to it, and inside the property constant referent IDs, we are giving the IDs of the 4 text views comma separated. Now we will go to the main activity onCreate method, and inside it we are getting the reference of the 2 buttons and also the group widget by using find view by ID. We are setting onClick listener on the 2 buttons, and inside show button onClick listener we are making the visibility of the group visible, and inside hide button set onClick listener we are making the visibility of the group gone. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking the button hide, the text views visibility will be gone, and on clicking show button, the text views visibility will be visible. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.